I'd like to talk about the RF DACs in the P9484D arbitrary waveform transceiver from Tabor Electronics. Each unit contains 2 DACs and they're RF DACs, so what that means is there's a digitally implemented IQ modulator in each DAC, and then feeding them is what we call a numerically controlled oscillator, and that's playing the role of the local oscillator in a traditional analog IQ modulator. And then we feed it via 2 lines, and there's low pass filters here, low pass filters here, and then we sum just like an IQ modulator, but remember it's all done in the RF DAC, and then get the output, and we've got an antenna on the front of this output here. So this is directly connected to the DAC, and what we've got coming in the baseband is I generated 2 IQ files, I and Q, and they represent a beacon for Wi-Fi. So we feed in the beacon signal in I and beacon signal in Q. It gets up converted to either 2.44 gigahertz or 5.4 gigahertz, depending if you want to do the 2.4 or the 5 gigahertz band, and it transmits. And you can see, if you hold your phone close, the wireless access point.